Hi car enthusiast, welcome to the Autoverse, your ultimate source for authentic and up-to-date automotive information. Today we are exploring the exciting content, 1925 Ford Model T95, which is a symbol of automotive innovation and timeless elegance from the early 20th century, known as the car that put the world on wheels. The Model T redefined the automobile industry and continues to hold a special place in the hearts of classic car enthusiasts. While the T95 variant adds a touch of royal charm, it retains the legacy of simplicity and functionality that made the Model T a revolutionary vehicle. Launched as part of the iconic Model T series, the 1925 Ford Model T95 is celebrated for its reliable and straightforward design. It features a 2.9-liter inline-4 engine capable of producing 20 horsepower, which may seem modest by today's standards but was groundbreaking for its time. Paired with a 2-speed planetary transmission, the Model T95 offered a smooth and manageable driving experience, suitable for both urban streets and rural roads. Its top speed of around 45 mph was sufficient for the era's transportation needs. The exterior design of the 1925 Model T95 reflects the elegance and practicality of the period. Its royal charm is emphasized by a handcrafted grille, round headlamps, and polished metal accents. The vehicle's open-top design with optional canopy provides a luxurious yet functional aesthetic, available in classic black, as well as limited edition colors introduced later. The Model T95 showcased a refined style that appealed to its distinguished owners. Inside, the Model T95 offered a surprisingly comfortable and well-thought-out cabin for its time. Simple yet functional, the interior featured wooden accents, leather upholstery, and a minimalist dashboard. The steering wheel and pedals were ergonomically designed, making it one of the most user-friendly vehicles of its era. Though lacking modern conveniences, the cabin provided ample space for passengers and luggage, ensuring a pleasant journey for drivers and passengers alike. As a collector's item, the 1925 Ford Model T95 holds significant value in the classic car market. Depending on its condition, rarity, and restoration, prices can range from $20,000 to over $50,000 at auctions. Its legacy as a symbol of innovation and luxury ensures its continued appreciation among automotive enthusiasts. The Ford Model T95 stands as a reminder of an era when automobiles were transitioning from luxury items to necessities. It captures the spirit of innovation and craftsmanship that defined the early automotive industry, making it a timeless classic. For those passionate about vintage cars, the Model T95 is a treasure trove of history and design. Subscribe to the Autoverse for more in-depth explorations of classic cars and modern marvels. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content, and join us in celebrating the rich history and future of the automotive world.